Let's make sweet and spicy sriracha tofu. Start by pressing your tofu in the Easy Tofu Press. Press for 10 minutes, tightening every 2 to 3 minutes. While the tofu is pressing, make that flavorful marinade. Combine sriracha sauce, agave nectar, soy sauce, olive oil, toasted sesame oil, and rice vinegar in a small bowl. Whisk to combine everything really well. Now cube your tofu and pour on the marinade, tossing to coat it really well. Marinate the tofu, then remove it from the bowl, leaving any extra marinade behind. Now arrange the tofu pieces on a lined baking sheet and bake at 425 for 30 minutes until the tofu is browned around the edges. Serve these tofu bites with creamy ranch for dipping, or add them to your next rice bowl for an easy vegan dinner. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these tofu bites. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!